Good morning, Vlogmas day 23. This is so crazy because since I didn't vlog yesterday, I'm like so excited to vlog today. And the reason I didn't vlog yesterday is because I had filmed a room tour that a whole apartment tour that I really wanted to put up for you guys. And yesterday was almost exactly the same as the day before, but instead of traveling to Charlotte and watching a hockey game, we watched a hockey game and traveled back to Boston. So I figured, isn't that different? You guys should have just seen Max. He was blow drying his hair with my Dyson blow dryer. Hi, bougie boy. He's indecent. Don't worry, he has a towel on. He's not naked, just halfway naked. How's your breakfast? I literally woke up at the crack of dawn, you guys. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. If you guys remember in high school, I had this theory that if you sleep a lot one night, the next night, if you sleep a little, like 6 or 7 hours, you wake up and you spring out of bed. So it's like 7 a.m. and I feel like I never would just get up that early with so much energy. But I like sprung out of bed. I made us breakfast and a little something special. You guys already know. I'm so happy. We have those in our fridge. They're probably raw on the inside, to be honest. They like, I maybe baked them for like 10 minutes. But they're gonna be so good. And yeah, it's like only 8:30 right now, and we are gonna eat this and drive home to Albany because we were going to last night, and my mom was like, don't, like, you guys are so tired, it's 10 p.m. You would get here at like 12, like 1 a.m. and that would just be dumb. So we just slept here, and then we are going to drive back to Albany right now because it's Christmas Eve. Today's a big day. I love Christmas Eve. I really do. And yeah, then tomorrow's Christmas Eve, then it's Christmas. I can't wait to get my presents from Matt. Because you've been hyping them up. That's why I'm so excited. He's like, I don't think I can even wait until Christmas to give them to you. I'm excited. I can't wait for you to get yours. Even though you like know them all, but whatever. Oh, also you guys, first thing, this sweatshirt was my mom's like forever ago. And it's funny because, okay, if you're in college, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you know, when you go home, you have like home clothes. If you like left some clothes there, or there's like clothes in your closet at home that you didn't bring to college that you like wear when you're home on breaks and stuff. This was always my like home sweatshirt, and this was always in my closet at home, and I'd be so excited to wear it when I would go home because it was my mom's. And so it's just so like worn in and like really cozy. But yeah, now I have it in Boston because I graduated college, and yeah, now I need to just wear it here, but I'm gonna wear it home in honor of going home. And it's really fitting because, is this Charlotte? Oh yeah, and I was just there. Sorry, I'm a little slow this morning. And then I'm wearing Lululemon joggers that Max got me. Oh, remember when we did that video like boyfriend, girlfriend, buy each other outfits? Yeah, that's when he got me these pants. Love them. And I made us bagels and eggs. I always mess up the eggs, like they look kind of funny, but yeah, and the cinnamon rolls. What a good day. Oh, this is the question I was gonna ask you. Not to make this intro way too long, but this is the Vital Proteins Collagen Water Strawberry Lemon, and I wanted to ask you guys, what is this supposed to do for me? What does this do? Because I have no idea.
Hair and joints.
Hair and joints?
I'm pretty sure that's what all of it does.
Oh, do you think it really makes a difference? Because I've always gotten stuff from Vital Proteins, thanks Vital Proteins, like this big case shut up. But I'm like, I don't really know what it's doing or like how to use it. I know people put collagen powder in like smoothies maybe. It honestly just tastes good. It tastes like flavored water kind of. Yeah, but like not too sweet, because I feel like stuff that's too sweet kind of freaks me out. But this like isn't really sweet, it's just like flavored water. Tell me what this is supposed to do for me, and if you guys like them, and if you drink them. Come here. Oh, you're so good. Hi. Hi, we're in Albany. You guys saw I was, oh my god, I really don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to talk really loud. Don't listen to Taylor Swift. Is that Taylor Swift? I think it's Taylor Swift. Okay, don't listen to her. But I got to Albany, decorated the Christmas tree with Lucy. I'm going to talk really loud. I'm getting so stressed. Maybe we'll just talk outside. Me and Max are getting lunch. We'll update you in a bit. I'm gonna vlog quick because between songs, me and Max are at lunch right now. Don't worry, we were hanging out with Lucy and Dara, my mom. I feel like everyone's so concerned that I'm like not seeing my family. That's exactly why we're in Albany.
We're here all week.
Christmas. Yeah, we're here all week. And we were decorating the tree, hanging out, but me and Max are getting lunch now because Lucy and Dara, my mom, already ate bagels, but we had bagels for breakfast, so like we didn't want to eat a bagel. And we have errands to run, like we have to go to the bank. And Lucy and my mom both already just went to the bank, so now I have to go. And we have last minute Christmas shopping, so they can't be with us anyway. I think we might go to the mall. Yeah. And then, guys, I think I'm getting pumped right now because I'm getting scammed because I've never been able to make a reservation at Cheesecake Factory. I feel like that's the thing. They don't take reservations, and I called and I was like, just making sure you don't, right? Because we want to go there tonight because I haven't been there in forever. And that's like fun. Like, I feel like we always used to go in Albany for like big occasions. And yeah, none of us feel like cooking or doing any of that. And she was like, oh, it's like first come first serve, but after 7:30 we can make a reservation. And I was like, oh, I think we just have a reservation at 7:30. So I think we're going at 7:30 with a reservation, and I hope it all works out. And yeah, today's just like errands, last minute Christmas shopping, picking up. I was like cleaning out a bunch of stuff, like throwing away so much stuff in my room and in our bathrooms because it's just stuff that sits there and you don't need it and it takes up space. So there. I didn't vlog in the mall. No. We were just in Colony Center. Now we're going to Crossgates. I'm so over it. I want to like lay down before we have dinner tonight. It's funny because Cheesecake Factory is literally right there. And we're coming back in a little while. If you haven't been able to tell, yeah, we've been listening to the Hamilton soundtrack. Yeah.
In a mood.
Oh, me and Max were just telling each other stuff that we didn't get each other. I want to do that video like we did last year of like opening our presents. Wouldn't that be fun? Oh, so maybe we should open them like Christmas Eve.
Our presents? No.
Yeah.
But then what are you gonna open on Christmas Day? Nothing?
Yeah, I don't know. But,
we'll just show you guys afterwards.
Yeah. Is that what we did last year? Did we really open it in front of each other? No, I think we opened them just with each other and then just showed the vlog. That was so cute of us. We were like, at your house on Cape Cod. But,
maybe I'll just film you in the living room.
Opening them?
Yeah, get your reaction.
Yeah, you should. Wait, what was I just, I'm so out of it.
I don't know, let's go to Best Buy quickly. Go home.
I forget what I was saying. Oh, I remember. We were telling each other presents that we didn't get each other. And you're so thoughtful.
I know.
Can I tell them?
Sure.
Max was like, okay, one thing I thought about getting you, but I didn't know what to get, was he's like, I think it's called Luca and Gray. And I'm
maybe
like,
your birthday.
You're so cute. Like, I don't think I've ever had anything from Aspen's clothing line, Luca and Gray. I've just never really looked, honestly, which is weird because I love her. Like, I don't know why I have him because I like already have my favorite stores that I shop at and stuff. But, yeah, I love her. So if you got me something from Luca and Gray, that would be like so thoughtful. And then, oh, and then he's like, the other thing I thought about getting you but I didn't get you was, this is like those videos, like baby names I like but won't be using, presents I like but won't be using, presents I thought about but didn't actually buy. He said he was gonna get me a big Hamilton t-shirt because I love Hamilton, and that would have been really cute too. And then I told him these like dress shirts I was gonna get him but didn't get him, but then I was like, now I really wish I did because this is such a good time because he just got called up, and so I feel like that, I don't know, that's just like fun to have you like dress you up close since you have to dress up when you go to games. I'm getting you that. I'm ordering the black one. If you guys are wondering, oh, this is like a good, well, this is going up Christmas Eve, so kind of too late, but I'm gonna say this is a good gift idea if you have a boyfriend and like when he needs to dress up. The State and Liberty shirts are the way to go, right, Max? Correct. Because they're like button-ups, but what are they, just more comfortable because they are like athletic feeling? Are they like an athletic fit, like they fit people that are athletic better? Aren't they made by hockey players? So yeah, I guess if your boyfriend plays hockey or is like an athlete of any kind, left, then yeah, State and Liberty shirts, that's what I'm going to order, Max. I remember last year this happened too. I got you like one present, you got me way more, so then I like ordered more after, and that's like what's gonna happen right now.
So excited.
Dara loves the avocado
cheesecake though.
Oh, you like those too?
Yeah, but Dara likes a miracle
have been so bad at vlogging today.
Reason,
I was
when
really
I
tired.
first came to America, I thought that Cheesecake Factory was some sort of like tacky
Cheesecake
place.
Factory?
Because I heard it in like The Big Bang Theory probably, because I'm dumb.
Oh.
But it's actual heaven.
It's so good.
I don't even want to tell people.
The stragglers. I know, it's Daddy's hat.
I know, Mom said,
Hey!
I haven't been here in a mean minute, you guys. I literally miss it so bad.
Animated screen.
Christmas Eve, people. Woo! We all just ordered dinner, but Mommy wasn't ready, so she has to order late. She has to study and be sure. If I'm being honest, the best Moscow mules come in the copper mugs. Everybody knows that. So I was not impressed. I was a little worried, but then I tried. It's good. It's good. So.
well, I've got copper mugs.
Well,
So I guess.
it was 20 pages long, so.
Yeah. Now I've learned that you can, in fact, have a good Moscow mule without a copper mug. It's not going to be a great one, but it'll be good. Guys, Max's burrito is still the size of a newborn baby. Can everyone look at Max's burrito? Isn't it insane? Lucy got this like veggie pasta. It looks so good. I got steak, Diane, with mashed potatoes. Is Mommy vlogging?
Yeah.
I think she's
Mommy.
baby burrito.
Yeah. Smile. Photo shoot. Do you see that? It's so big.
That's your good angle.
We're done. I've had salted caramel, it's so salty. Ugh, I can't stand
My
it.
mom's being funny.
Like, I like caramel, but
Can you come down here?
I'm gonna look at it in the mirror.
I don't have a cheesecake to get.
no salt.
Babe, it's right here. Babe,
It's actually...
babe. No, I want the real beer face.
Not my reflection.
No, not your reflection.
Caramel pecan turtle cheesecake.
What cheesecake do I get?
Okay, then I guess...
New York style.
New York cheesecake doesn't have to be traditional.
Oh, Maker's on there. I don't think so.
What about
Cheese.
what about the world's best cheesecake?
The world's best. Guess what company?
Congratulations.
Wait, say it. You did it.
You did it. Congrats. The world's best cup of coffee.
No, you have to say it like him.
I can't.
Guys, I realized I didn't end off yesterday's vlog, so we're gonna end it off right now. And I said, Max ended off with me. He said, but I'm sleepy and I'm gonna act grumpy.
Yeah, I haven't had coffee.
I know, don't talk to him until he's had his coffee. Yeah, I realized I didn't end it off. We ended at Cheesecake. We did it today. We did a lot of last minute Christmas shopping, which I didn't even show because we were like running around the mall. Traveled back to Albany. Isn't that weird? We woke up in Boston yesterday. Like, it was such a long day.
Now we're in Albany.
And yeah, and I'm getting behind on Vlogmas again. Like, I just didn't post last night, but we were like all spending time together, and I'm like, whatever, I'll just post it today. Like, it's okay to get a little behind when I'm spending time with family. So yeah, and if you're wondering, I covered my face in my face tanning oil last night, and that's why I look tan.
And I did not, and that's why I look pale.
Okay, love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next video.